Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cotton candy headphones. To acquire these distinctive earphones, your primary destination is the Blush Concept Store. They offer a specific product named cotton candy headphones, known for their charming, hand-woven pastel fabric. These are designed for Apple users, featuring both Lightning and USB-C connector options for broad compatibility. This ensures you can connect them to many different devices with ease. These unique earphones boast a construction of 100% polyester cotton yarn, giving them their signature soft, multicolored look. Beyond aesthetics, they offer practical functionality, allowing you to control your audio and video playback directly from the cord. Furthermore, for your peace of mind, each pair comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring charger replacement in case of any defect. Securing your own pair is straightforward. Simply order them online via the Blush Concept Store website. You have several delivery options to choose from, including standard services like Carissimo, which takes 3 to 4 working days, or faster options like Chronopost, delivering in 24 to 48 hours. International shipping is also available, usually arriving within 3 to 4 days. The store offers a generous 30-day return policy, allowing you ample time to decide if the earphones are right for you. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, their customer service team is readily available via email. For your purchasing convenience, secure payment options are provided, including the flexibility of paying in 3 or 4 installments with Alma and PayPal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.